Okay, Assalamualaikum again. Kembali lagi dalam part 3 Assassin's Black Flag series. So dalam game ni kita nak sambung apa lagi perjalanan kita sebagai Assassin's Creed yang bertemakan pirate. Jadi jom kita sama-sama main game ni. Jom. Apa macam kita? Viewpoint ada 1, Assassin's Creed Contract ada 6. Kita nak fokus kepada mission lah, story. So lari ke jalan. Apa kata kita pergi ni dulu guys, kita pergi explore sikit. Kita pergi, kalau boleh lah kita pergi synchronize dulu. Nampak macam dekat je dalam peta tu. Kita pergi synchronize dulu. Alah, tapi dalam kawasan musuh pula kan, geng kan. Gaya macam dalam kawasan musuh. Terang gila. Terang betul dah atas tu. Tak apa. Tak, di luar. Jom kita pergi synchronize dulu satu tempat. Oh, atas tu. Macam mana nak panjat ni? Sini dulu. Try panjat tengok. Okay, boleh. Atas mana? Oh, atas tu boleh. Jom kita panjat. Tak ada yang tak boleh panjat kan. Aduh, sibuk. Baru nak panjat. Mainlah sini. Main. Main sini. Tengok sikit. Main sini. Main. Pekak betul. Bik kau. Kan dah kena. Orang nak panjat, kacau betul. Hujan. Guys, sekarang ni waktu tengah panas. Dia jadi kelabu macam tu Masya Allah. Menarik lah dia punya environment. Bukan sini Oh, betul sebenarnya ni apa kan, dia nak bagi segala tanda-tanda yang dalam map dia tu dia akan terkeluar lah. So jadi itulah sebab kita ni sebenarnya kita main permainan simulasi. So jadi itulah yang akan keluar. Ui serius guys, sebenarnya selama ni aku tak pernah main grafik macam ni Sorry guys, tersynchronize sekali lagi. Sorry. Tertekan, tak sengaja. Aku sebenarnya nak terkejut. Okay, Leap of Faith nama dia, baru teringat. Jom kita pergi kepada mission kita. Lanjutin ke stories kita guys. Tepi lah. Sekejap. Macam ada bunyi-bunyi. Alah, kena masuk dalam tu lah. Ni masalah ni, distraction lah. Takkan kena pergi dalam ni. Tepi lah. Tepi. Kalau ada raita lumba pun best juga lah. Pusing. Kalau di atas bumbung ni kena kejap lagi. Kejap pula. Bahasa apa ni? Kejap tau. Area ni belum synchronize lah. Aduh, kena synchronize pula. Tapi dah kan warna hitam dah. Kenapa belum synchronize lagi? Okay, aku rasa macam ingat dah datang. Kalau warna hitam bukan kita dah synchronize lah. Itu contract untuk kill kot. Map ada map. Mana? Map tengah apa? Ni map. Mana lagi yang belum synchronize? Hai. Oh, yang warna hitam ni belum. Okay, so kita pergi secure dulu lah. Mana yang paling dekat? Mana paling dekat? So sini paling dekat. Okay. Mana kita? Mana kita? Sekali lagi tengok. Set marker, okay. Maka kita ke sana. So kita pergi synchronize dulu nak bagi nampak dalam map kita. Itu antara fungsi synchronize lah guys. Nak bagi clear apa yang dalam map tu. Lompat. Kita lompat. Panjat lagi. Tak boleh. Panjat lagi. Woi. Kan. Panjat. Mana tempat sekarang? Oh, sini. Alright. Okay. Menarik guys. Tengok pemandangan dia. Dengan muzik dia. Ada lagi 8 tempat guys kita nak synchronize. Tengok banyak. Bila main Assassin's Creed ni yang banyak tengok map lah. Terjun. Kita pergi dulu masuk dalam ni tengok apa dah. Kuasa yang ni dia bagi ni kot. Kita akan dapat kita punya hidden blade. Yes, hidden blade. Mungkin aku tak ingat lah.
Buenos dias. Mr. Duncan Walpole of England to see the governor.
Yep.
I believe he is expecting me.
Sí, señor Walpole. Entre, por favor.
Oh, dia menyamak ke? Dia bukannya senior Walpole tu. Dia Edward lah, tapi dia ambil baju orang tu kan. Tengok.
¿Ese es el hombre?
There's...
¿Cómo lo llamabas? ¿Asesino?
Yeah, lah. Asesino lah. Duncan
Debería haber
Walpole.
llegado hace muchos días.
No me gusta que los extranjeros se paseen por nuestra ciudad.
You
No
don't
me
trust
fío
me,
de
eh?
ellos.
Hey, yeah.
Cállate. Por favor, tiene
Uy,
invitados.
ni tembok.
Todos franceses e ingleses. Parece un hombre rudo. Le suponía un aspecto más...
Laju lah sikit.
Lleva meses en alta mar. Sé indulgente con él.
Terah tu. Kau tahu terah lah.
Good morning, sir. Would I be correct
Dulu
in
mana ada
thinking you
gambar-gambar,
are
mana ada
Duncan
WhatsApp,
Walpole?
mana ada Instagram
I am
semua.
indeed.
Jadi dia tak
I thought as
kenal.
much. Woods Rogers, a pleasure.
The same.
I must say, my wife has a terrible eye for description.
I'm sorry.
My wife. You met her some years ago at the Percy's Masquerade Ball.
Ah, quite.
She called you devilishly handsome. Obviously a lie to stoke my jealousy.
Faham pula bini dia cakap orang lain
Julian,
daripada dia.
our guest of honor has arrived, Mr. Duncan Walpole.
Julien Ducasse. I hope your conversion to our order is an honest one. I have no love for assassins, but even less for liars.
I have not come to disappoint.
Up for a bit of sport, Duncan? The old man isn't ready just yet.
Kuasa depa ni Templar. Kalau hampa main Assassin's Creed,
You've got my
hampa,
two best
hampa
pairs of
faham lah
matched
Templar
pistols,
dengan Assassin ni.
Duncan.
So handle them with care.
If I had 8,
Shoot
I'd
the
treat each as my
targets.
own son. Pull off a few shots if you
Tembak
like
pala
and get
hang
a
lah,
feel for it.
I once fought beside a man who carried 9 on his
select
person.
LT.
They were a boom in battle, but hindered his
Shoot
ability
with
to
RT
swim,
while your gun is drawn.
sadly.
Macam tu.
Quite. As a good kick, yes?
I I long for the day where one firearm carries
Press
four bullets,
Y to
not
shoot
the
the light
opposite.
highlighted target with your pistol. Press Y.
I have a friend in England you may
Simple,
like
eh?
to meet, Julian. James Puckle. He's working on something extraordinary.
Magnifique.
Menarik. Macam tu lah reload dia. Ni dulu lah. Talk to the host. Where is the host? So I want to challenge. Nak challenge Danny ya. Ampam tuan-tuan, banyak peluru.
Duncan, where are your wrist blades? I've never seen an assassin so ill-equipped.
Ah, damaged sadly beyond all repair.
Cembung, pada tak ada. Betul
Have your
lah.
choice.
Ni dia dapat blade ni.
Where did you find all these?
I did not find them. I took them. These are souvenirs.
Macam tu bagi
Two
Follow
blades.
pula.
This is the custom, oui?
Custom, aye.
Duncan, will you indulge us with a demonstration of your techniques?
Well,
Cik,
We must. We put together a
Cakap dia
training
nak
course
belajar.
in anticipation of your arrival. We'll be ashamed to
demonstration.
leave here without seeing you in action.
yes, of course. Well, I mean, if there is time, I would gladly show you what I know.
Here. You see? Situation is well suited.
Cik, pada nak suruh kita training.
Have a go. A blade in a crowd is always the simplest. Nothing grandiose,
Perform
just
various
quick and clean.
assassinations. Hebat.
Show us another technique.
Ni.
Quite ingenious
Da,
to
da.
use bales of hay for cover, don't you think?
Dia pula bagi tahu aku macam mana nak kena ni. Ambil panjat tu kenapa? Nah, kau.
God, that's the spirit.
Macam tu
Secrecy.
nak tunjuk hampa boleh buat sendiri lah.
The advantage of surprise cannot be overstated, isn't that so? Especially around a blind corner.
Cik. Nak tunjuk ni.
Es como si la vida hubiera decidido hacer
God blind me, that's a clever trick.
Jangan puji lebih-lebih.
Your
Okay.
area kills have a poetic beauty, despite their conspicuous quality. Would you show us?
Air assassination. Hello.
Magnifique.
Puas hati. Puas hati.
Is it
My
also possible
fini.
to deliver a killing blow at high speed?
Mestilah possible. Tapi yang jauh sikit. Alamak, silap tekan. Tapi yang tu. Mestilah
Mon Dieu,
possible.
such a powerful strike.
Fascinating.
Ikut apa lagi?
The assassins have trained you well, Duncan. You chose a perfect time to leave them behind.
At great risk, I imagine. Betraying the assassins is never good for one's health.
Well, neither is drinking
Yang
liquor,
betul
but
lah
I
dia
am
ni
drawn to its
nak
dangers all the
betray
same.
assassin.
And what is
So dia
your
masuk
business
Templar.
here, sir? Are you an associate of the governor's, or a pending acquaintance like myself?
Guns, blades, cannons, grenados. Anything that may kill a man, I am happy to provide.
A smuggler of sorts.
And how is your wife these days, Captain Rogers? Is she, here, in Havana?
I trust she's well, but I wouldn't know. I've been in Madagascar some 14 months hunting pirates. It took some work to dislodge the criminals there, but
Cerita
we
pasal
managed.
pirate pula. Dia adalah
In
pirate.
future, I hope to use these same tactics throughout the West Indies.
And how did you deal with their kind?
Very simply. Most pirates are
Nampak
as
ni jalan
ignorant
slow
as
sangat.
apes.
Aku tolong
I merely
sikit dah
offered them a
laju
choice. Take a pardon and return to England
Aduh.
penniless but free men, or be hanged by the neck until dead.
Oh. I imagine Nassau would be your next target.
Very
Okay,
astute,
dapat tengok pasal
Duncan,
pirate.
indeed.
Best of luck with that.
Grandmaster Torres! Mr. Duncan Walpole has arrived.
See. You were expected 1 week ago.
Apologies, Governor. My ship was set upon by pirates. We were scuttled. I arrived only yesterday.
Fortunate. Forgive my caution, but were you able to salvage from these pirates the items you promised me?
Yes, sir, I was.
Tu kan barang dia. Benda tu.
Increíble. The assassins have more resources than I had imagined, but not nearly enough to deter us.
Yeah.
It is a pleasure to meet you at last, Duncan. You are most welcome. Come, gentlemen. We have much to discuss.
Bincang apa lagi? Bincang pula.
Convened at last, and in such continental company. England, France, Spain, citizens of
Lupa
sad
kan?
and corrupted
Lupa nak
empires.
online thing. Nah.
But you are Templars now, the secret and true legislatures of the world. Please, hold out your hands. Mark and remember our purpose.
Barulah.
To
Gempok
guide all
sikit.
wayward souls till they've reached the quiet road. To guide all
Cincin
wayward
Templar lah
desires
guys.
till impassioned hearts are cool. To guide all wayward minds to safe
Pelantikan Templar.
and sober thought.
Jadi aku pun
By the Father
dah
of
faham juga apa
Understanding's
benda yang
light,
dia perjuangkan Templar ni.
let our work now begin. Decades ago, the Council entrusted me with the task of locating in these West Indies a forgotten place our precursors once called the Observatory. See here. Look up on these images and commit them to memory. They tell a very old and important story. For 2 decades now, I have endeavored to locate this observatory, a place rumored to contain a tool of incredible utility and power. It houses a kind of armillary sphere, if you like. A device that would grant us the power to locate and monitor every man and woman on Earth, whatever their location. Only imagine what it would mean to have such a power. With this device, there would be no secrets among men, no lies, no trickery.
Orang mesyuarat hampir
Justice,
cokai
pure
barang orang
justice.
pula.
This is the observatory's promise, and we must take it for our own.
Do we know its whereabouts?
We will soon. For in our custody is the one man who does, a man named Roberts, once called a sage.
It has been 45 years since anyone has seen a true sage. Can you be sure this one is authentic?
Benda yang cakap ni pakcik. Cakap
The
apa
assassins
ni?
will come for him.
Indeed they will. But thanks to Duncan and the information he has delivered, the assassins won't be a problem for much longer. All will be made clear tomorrow, gentlemen, when you meet the sage for yourselves. Until then, let us drink.
Minum
Let us
pula.
find
Kita
the
minum dulu.
observatory together. For with its power, kings will fall, clergy will cower, and the hearts and minds of the world will be ours.
Tak komplit eh? Tak apalah. Minum dulu.
Rest well, Duncan. Tomorrow the treasure fleet
So
arrives, and with it,
tidur
your
mula.
reward. After which we will discuss further schemes.
I look forward to it.
Excelente. Meet me down at the docks first thing tomorrow morning.
Nak pergi jumpa lagi. Tu ada kat luar.
Governor Torres requests your presence at the docks near the
Aku nak
Castillo.
curi.
First thing tomorrow morning.
Masuk pun tak boleh. Mana? Kau buat apa ni? Remor-remor ni. Lebih sinkronis. Patutnya aku sinkronis tu kau ni tadi ya. Tak pergi sana ni. Susah pula nak manjat macam ni. Dia manjat lah. Boleh, susah. Tak ada tempat. Kalau kita fokus. Tengok map tak? Map. Satu lagi ujung ni kan. Yang tu. Ui, mission tahun tu lah. Jauh juga lah. Apa kata kita pergi ni? Kita try dulu tengok panjat boleh tak? Lepas tu no? Oh, panjat situ boleh kan?
Si me la pides así.
Upah sikit.
Esto fiesta.
Come on lah, distract. Apa benda senang sangat terpengaruh. Siapa ada? Tak ada orang. Tak ada orang nama tadi. Kita nak synchronize je. Tahu dah restricted tapi kita nak pergi synchronize je. Alamak, ada orang. Synchronize je. Tepi burung, tepi. Tengok sikit. Barulah nampak map. Terbang macam burung sikit. Aduh, kita ambil tu. Tak apa lah. Jom kita pergi pula dekat kita punya target. Mana kita? Tengok sikit map. Oh, ada ke sana apa? Okay. Zoom max. Okay. Oh, ke sana. Kena pergi dulu ke? Jauh kat no. Tak apa. Kita pergi dulu. Benda free boleh ambil. Benda free. Set marker. Okay, back. Wih, sana. Kita pergi sana. Tapi dah. Awak ampun ni sibuk sangat ni. Benda-benda free kena buat, geng. Benda boleh panjat, kita panjat. Game logic. Kalau kita tengok kat sini, orang duk panjat siang-siang buta ni pelik Tapi Assassin's Creed tak pelik, geng. Tak pelik, memang tak pelik. Mantap. Synchronize semua. Okay, terjun dulu. Wih. Mati. Salah terjun pula geng, sorry. Salah terjun. Tak jumpa tapak apa ni. Tak apalah. Ni benar. Oh, okay. Tadi dapat pistol. So kita terus ke objektif kita. Apa benda tu? Alamak, apa benda tu? Glitch pula geng. Sorry no, pelik sikit. Dia kata apa lagi? Nak jumpa dekat. Alamak. Nak jumpa dekat jeti. Kita kenalah pergi jeti.
Duncan, over here.
Tapi lah, a man called the Sage.
Good morning, Duncan. Just over
Oh,
here.
muka dia lagu tu. Kena pukul ke apa?
Edward? Hello,
Ada
Edward.
pula mamat ni. Bagi
I
pecah
found a man
lubang
to purchase my
lah.
remaining sugar. Quite a coup, I must say. He just called you Edward.
Kena.
Oh, that's the merchant who sailed me here. Out of caution, I gave him a false name.
Well done.
Kena sudah.
We'll catch up on it later.
Marah.
Very punctual, Duncan. This way. Here he is. A man both Templars and Assassins have sought for over a decade. I am told your surname is Roberts.
Macam kenal lah orang
Is
tua.
this so? You recognize this, I think.
According to old tales, the blood of a sage is required to enter the observatory.
We have the key. Now
Observatory
we
tu
need
apa
only
benda?
its location. Perhaps Mr. Roberts will be eager to provide it. Transfer him to my residence.
Tudung pula nak ikut lagi. Berapa banyak kali nak
Such a
ikut.
fuss over one man. Is the observatory really such a grand prize?
Mestilah kata tak ada dia mau dah.
The observatory was a tool built by the precursor race. Its worth is without measure.
Precursor race. I see.
One of your early letters mentioned the desire to kill the Mayan mentor Atabay. Were you able to carry out this contract before
Si
coming?
assassin dia pada
I-
mentor dia. So
I
jadi
was not,
mungkin
no.
dia cerita
Too many
pasal
complications along the way.
mentor assassin dia lah, yang Edward
But they
dah
marked you
bunuh
delivery
sebelum
with
ni.
the blood vial. We'll see that job finished.
Aye. That's the idea.
I don't like this route, Torres. We're exposed.
Alah kecoh.
Something is wrong. Stay close, Grandmaster.
Ui,
I
kadang-kadang
feel
lawan.
it too. Do not let them get their hands on the sage at whatever cost.
Aku rasa lagi ada kena pukul ramai-ramai. Aku dah agak dah.
Assassins!
Mana pula assassin?
Above! They're on the rooftops!
Watch the streets and alleys. They could be anywhere.
Mantap ah. Lari. Mana?
Siempre me pillan en el intento.
Mainlah hang pakai tangan, pakai apa? Hang pakai pedang. Main. Pistol habis bateri pula. Bateri lah. Bila masa pistol pakai bateri? Mai sini ha, ambil hang. La ilaha illallah. Dead. Macam mana boleh meninggal ni cepat sangat? Oh, aku defend Muhammad ni ke?
Above! They're on the rooftops!
Watch the streets and alleys. They could be anywhere.
Mana dia? Ini dia lah. Mana dia? Mana dia ni? Oh, aku assassin. So aku kan lah naik atas ni. Korang ajak tu. Masalah ni nak kena. Oi, susah ni. Mampu dah orang tu. Kita bunuh atas dulu nak. Kita bunuh atas dulu.
Assassins! Above! They're on the rooftops!
Okay, mantap. Kita naik atas dulu. Kita bunuh atas dulu.
Watch the streets and alleys. They could be anywhere.
Nampak ambil ha. Okay, kita nak hidam balik. Mampus. Mana lagi? Mana lagi tengah berlawan ni? Mana lagi? Baru dah style ha. Tu dia. Okey. Pakai pedang lah. Mai sini. Mana dia? Kejap lah. Kau ngajak dia. Dah kena. Tak apa. Kita kena ada dekat dengan dia dulu. Mantap. Oi. Waduh. Banyak kasih nak bunuh dia ni. Kita bunuh dia sendiri. Elok.
Stop it!
Dah mabuk, tak kena pergi kejap dia pula. Mana dia?
You're a nimble one, I'll give you that.
Okay, lagi atas, kita naik atas lah.
Hang back and make this easy on both of us, mate.
Hey, your mate lah. Mana Imam Mat?
Stop, or I'll kneecap you!
Mana api dia tu? Dia punya attack pula kau. Kejap lah. Mana api mamat tu? Aduh, penat lah macam ni. Penat. Weh, kau ngajak tu lost. Susah teh. Tak susah pun sebenarnya. Try apa kali.
You're a nimble one, I'll give you that.
Dia punya attack bro. Oh ni. Bukan kau betul boleh potong datang ni. Tak mau. Hilang lagi. Kejap kan. Tenangkan diri kejap. Okay, kejap lagi. Take your siege from above. Wait.
You're a nimble one, I'll give you that.
Macam mana dia naik lah? Kau macam saja ni nak uji kebakaran apa
Hang
kau
back
aku
and
ni.
make this easy on both of us, mate.
Tengok tu, benda kecil. Kau macam tu.
Stop, or I'll kneecap you.
Dia ni attack lah. Aduh, janganlah ni attack. Penat lah.
Otro borrachín.
Weh, mai sini. Mai sini. Dah jauh dah tadi dekat kau ajak ke lah tiang dalam pasal ni. Langgar semua orang siapa weh. Hai kau ngajak. Mai sini tengok siapa. Penat kejar. Hei.
Well done, lapdog.
Quiet.
We'll see him to the prisons, Grandmaster.
Grandmaster.
Double the watch.
Well, I'll be buggered. What an active day we've had, gents.
See, beset on all sides by our enemies, we must be more cautious.
I do wish I could remain to see our drama done, but I must avail myself of these winds
Tapi England
and sail
pula.
for England.
By all means, Captain, speed and fortune to you.
With luck, I'll return myself a governor. And with my idiot king's blessing, no less. Adios.
As for you, Mr. Walpole, I consider this the first payment in a long-term investment. Gracias.
Dapat bayaran.
Obliged.
I would like you to be present for the interrogation tomorrow. Call around noon.
Yes, sir.
Settle. Nah, 90% aja. Okey gang, aku rasa setakat ni saja dulu untuk part 3 kita. So, kita dah selesaikan satu mission hari ni dan agak memendakkan juga sebenarnya. Tailing banyak dan juga kita kena kejar pencuri lah tadi. Dan stay tune untuk part 4 yang akan datang dan akan ada banyak lagi gameplay-gameplay menarik lah. Dan kalau boleh hampa support channel aku, jangan lupa like, share, subscribe. Dan benda-benda free jangan lupa buat komen untuk aku improve channel lagi. See you guys in my next video. Ciao. Cheers.